Hey, you thinking about taking a long-term trip? Well, you don't need an amount of clothes like this just to carry on. So let's get started. So here's what I'm taking. A combination of tanks and tees, 9 of those. I am taking 2 pairs of shorts, a pair of jeans, 1 pair of leggings. I'm taking 3 dresses. I'm taking 2 bathing suits that I can interchange as well, and a towel. Now, as far as undergarments, my rule is, however long you're going, you double the amount of underwear, which includes socks. Now here I know you'll be wondering, what is this? This is a security lock for the door. I highly recommend, regardless of hotel room or Airbnb, to have one. Here I have a carbon monoxide detector. I think that's a great item to have, whether you're in a hotel or Airbnb, and you just take this as a alarm and plug it in. Now here I have my protective case for my cell phone for any water that I might be getting in, especially if you have any kind of water activities, you still can take pictures off of it. I have my bathing cap. I think that's very important. That way you don't have to worry about using shampoo a lot. I usually put this on as well. Nice big size. And here is required all the time water shoes of some kind. I always carry them because even though those waters might be beautiful, you're not sure if you have rocks or anything else that you might step on. And plus two, that way you don't have to pay for it if you do an excursion. Here I have soap. They're little sheets, and you can pull one of these out and you can actually just wash your hands with it, especially if there's no soap available in the restrooms. Another thing, carry a lock. And here, I think you might be interested in this as well. I like to carry small things, and you just open this up. It comes in a big pack because I travel a lot. Add some water, usually like a bottle of water instead of what I'm doing here. And it unfolds. I'm going to add some more water to this. And guess what it is? It is a washcloth. Yes, a washcloth. It comes in a pack of 100. And because I travel a lot, it's really easy, just to refresh your face, or if you had kids with you. Just a little great item that doesn't take up a lot of space. That's the main thing you don't want to do, is utilize your space. Here, when I do cruises, I have a non-surge protector. Just plug one, it plugs right into the wall, and then you see you have 3 different outlets you can do instead of one. Now here I always have my toiletry bag. This is by Bag Smart. It's the larger one, and of course I had to get pink. And in this bag, I always carry my toothpick, toothbrush, toothpaste, Dramamine, just in case I get air sick or seasick, mouthwash, etc. I also have this handy dandy little portable ice pack that I found that I always carry just in case. And then bug spray. I always carry these little clamps. You can use it in the shower to hold up your clothing on the shower bar or your towel. And here it is. Here's my things all packed. This is the large one, like I said. And I always carry some gloves, an extra mask, shower cap, and other essentials. Here I always have a rollable hat. And here, another thing by Bag Smart, I have a lot of their products, is a smaller version for your electronics. And I like to carry that with me as well. And of course, in that I have my chargers, my earphones, extra plug, computer wipes for the screens or the cell phone, and definitely carry extra charger, portable chargers. And here it is, all neatly tucked away so I know where everything is and everything has its own home. And let's get packing. So one of the things I like to do is I like to show you how I fold my shorts. I usually do this method, and then I turn on the side and I fold. I just make sure it's straight and I just fold it in. And then on the other side, of course, I do the same thing. Making it flat, doing a little half thing, and then bam. Shorts are folded. Now the other way I do is t-shirts. When I carry those with me, fold them in half. And then I fold that sleeve in like this. And then on the other side, I fold that in. And do the same thing with the sleeve as well, after I straighten it out some more. And then I fold it up again, and then fold it up again. That way, it's just as flat as possible, as you can see here. Now next is a dress I have that I'm taking with me. I always make sure everything here is washable. That's why you don't have to carry a lot of things. And I always find a local laundromat or use the hotel's laundry facilities. And again, I just fold it up, fold this in some more. And bam, I am done. Again, you see, keeping it. Now I'm on the plane, so I want to show you my take-along bag. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And in my bag, of course, I carry my wallet that has my ID, my passport, driver's license in it. One thing I always say to do, because you never know about Wi-Fi, is have a folder of some kind where I have all my printed reservations and tickets, so I know the actual address of the hotel, who's picking me up from the airport, because I get a driver. All those things are important. And always carry at least one pen or more with you. And of course, make sure your cell phone is in good working order. I also carry, of course, the charger and the cord with me, so I can plug that in, either use it on the plane. If I can't use it on the plane, I always do another portable charger, just in case, if I want to look at movies, and a whole entire bag of clothing, just in case. And of course, my toiletry essentials, just in case, because of the flight, some lotion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.